Good evening, my dear astro friends. Last time we have seen a video on Brihunandinadi basics aspects. In the aspect we have seen, which are what are the strength of the aspects and other thing. If you are not seen, please see that. That is the first video. Then only this is the second video, so you will understand. See, aspects are there. See, in Nadi, single planet will not give the result. With the conjunction of some other planet, with the association of some other planet, it will give the result. So that's why we have seen aspect, what is the strength of the aspect and other thing. Now in this video we are going to see aspect is there, but that aspect is will give a good result or bad result. That we are going to see now. So for whether it gives a good result or bad result, then we should know whether he is associating with the good people or bad people. Not bad means bad. See in this here, friendly planets and inimical planets. See, if I associate with the good gurus, sannyasis, or good people, or see, I am in astrology. If I go along with astrologers, then it's good for me. Then if I go to a bar and associate with the drunkard people, or if I go to a gambling den and associate with the gamblers, that's not good for me. The same way, planets, according to the association, according to the conjunction, according to the aspect, it will change the result. So, one of the karakattvas, it will affect. Now, coming to the karakattvas, here another slide, I'm going to explain the main karakattvas along with the chart. In the next video, I am going to give you elaborate karakattvas. See, in astrology, unless you are a master in karakattvas, you do not understand astrology. Some people used to message me saying that, sir, I am in astrology since 10 years, but I am not able to predict properly because they are weak in karakattvas. When they are weak in karakattvas, that is the base. See, without proper basement, if we go on build a building, that won't stay. Now, we'll go to the next slide. See, now, enemy planets to the planets. The sun. See here, the list says sun. It has got inimical planets are Saturn, Venus, Rahu. Why Saturn? See, Nadi, not only in Nadi, in astrology, everything is logical. If you understand logic, then we need not memorize things at all. Especially in Nadi, very, very logical, 100% logical. See here, I will explain the logic point of view also, so that it will go into your mind instead of saying that Sun, Saturn, Venus, Rahu, and all the things. Instead of memorizing, you just think logically, you will understand. This sun means we know very well, it's a light. Sun means Atma. So, sun, Saturn is the enemy. We all know Saturn is the dark planet. Saturn is the cold planet. Sun is the heat planet. See, dark and light won't go together. When light comes, dark goes. When dark is there, light won't be there. When heat comes, the cold goes. When cold was there, see, during December and other periods, cold. period. At that time, you won't get the heat. So, opposite things. Then, Venus. Venus is the luxury. Atma doesn't want luxury. Venus means human. Venus means wine and other, liquor and other things. Venus means money. Venus means luxury, comfort, car, house, everything. So Atma doesn't need all these earthly things. These Venus, all these things are earthly things. Atma doesn't need these earthly things. Then Sun and Rahu. Rahu means we know it's a shadowy planet. Sun is not a shadow, it's a light. You can see the sun, it's a very bright. But Rahu you can't see, it's a shadow. See, when you stand in front of the sun, the shadow will be will be your behind, will be your back. So you can't see the shadow. You have to turn back and see. That is why Rahu is also retro. Always retro. And Rahu comes means Atma. In Rahu, Grahanas, what happens when sun comes in that point, that sun goes into dark. So that is why Rahu is the enemy. Here moon. Moon is the mother. Moon is the emotions. Is the Kalapusha's fourth house. See, when emotions are there, when you emotionally involved with Venus, that is ladies, what will happen? Your life will be spoiled. If you emotionally involved with the liquor, wine, this and other things, what will happen? Your life will be spoiled. If you are emotionally involved in luxury and comfort, what will happen? If some comfort is coming down, immediately you will get the pain in your mind. Again, Mercury. Mercury is the intelligence. Moon is the emotions. Moon is the intuition. Mercury is, you always logical. You will see everything, you will analyze. You won't accept it. But moon is not like that. Moon, see, when an accident happens in a road, moon will say, come on, go and help. He is in distress. We have to shift him to the hospital, otherwise he will die. That is emotions. Mercury will say, don't go. If you go there, then you will be involved in this thing. Then you have to go to police station. Police may say, you only caused the accident. Then you have to take him to the hospital. Hospital, what the people will demand, who are you and other things. They will register the police case. And you have to go to the court. It's a waste of your time. Ignore and go. That is a Mercury. Then Ketu. Ketu is the Jnana Karaka. When Jnana comes, where is the question of intelligence? Mercury gives the Ahankara. Jnana Ahankara. I know, I have read all scriptures. I know, all knowledge is within me. That is Ahankara. When Ahankara is there, moksha you won't get the moksha. Ketu is moksha karaka. See, both the things are there with the moon. Then moon is the jumping monkey. Then moon, he won't go along with the Ketu. Because when Jnana comes, Mercury goes, moon goes. Because when Ketu is there, that is Jnana is the real, what I can say is, when you get the moksha, all these things won't be there. So, moon is not going along with Ketu. Again, Mars. Mars is the speed. Mars is the energy. Mars won't think twice when he wants to go into action. Army man won't think and he won't analyze. Whether if I shoot that fellow or something like that, if I go and analyze, the enemy will shoot him. When he sees the enemy, immediately his first action is action, shoot, that's all. That is a Mars. That is why in Mesha, Ram is there. Ram, it just go and hit. It won't bother about the consequences. But Mercury is not like that. You will analyze. He's very intelligent. So they want to go together. Here Saturn. Saturn is very slow planet. Mars wants to go very fast. So they won't go together. Rahu. Rahu again. Mars and Rahu, deadliest enemies. Saturn and Mars, again deadliest enemies. See, this combination will give some other kind of effects that we will see when we analyze the chart. So Rahu is the commander of Asuras. Mars is the commander of Devas. So they are on the opposite sides. So they want to go together. So Mercury here, already explained. Mercury is intelligent. Mars is the speed. So already. So again, when we are talking about Ketu, I already told Mercury and Ketu won't go together because intelligence and moksha won't go together. Here, new addition is Jupiter. Why Jupiter and Mercury won't go together? Because Jupiter is a spiritual man. He's a very down-to-earth man. He wants to live in a hut and study the religious, go on with the religious practices. Jupiter is the wisdom. Jupiter is the Deva Guru. Jupiter is the Brahmin. But Mercury is not like that. Mercury is Vaishya. Mercury is the intelligence. The intelligence is something different. Wisdom is something different. Where the intelligence ends, wisdom starts. Wisdom will come with experience. Intelligence is just studying bookish knowledge. That is why even uneducated people, sometimes they'll give a bit of advice that be very good. Your grandfather or your ancestor would not have studied much, but their words are very good with wisdom. But Mercury people is a prince. He wants to enjoy the life. With his intelligence, he wants to go ahead. But Jupiter is not like that. Here again, when you come to Jupiter, I already told Jupiter is a wisdom, Moon is the mind. Moon is a monkey. It will go on jump. So Moon and Jupiter work together. And understand, we have got our story also. We all know Moon has stolen Jupiter's wife. Because of that, Jupiter and Moon won't go together. Then Mercury, already I told you, Mercury intelligence, Jupiter is wisdom. Again I told you, see again, this Venus is the luxury. Venus is Asura Guru. Jupiter is the Deva Guru. Again Venus wants to enjoy the luxury and other things. All worldly matters. Jupiter is not like that. Jupiter is the Deva Guru, he wants to go for religious matters only and down to earth, very simple life. Would have seen real Brahmin, real priest. They used to go and beg the food and eat. They won't even cook in their houses. They call in Tamil, I do not know in Hindi, Unjavirti Brahmin. That means they will go to house, they will beg for food and they'll bring it, they'll feed their family. Because their purpose is they only to serve the God. If they earn money, then they will be attached to the money. That attachment will create the problem for the spiritual practices. That is why Jupiter and Venus want to go together. And again Venus, again already we have seen, Sun is the enemy, Moon is the enemy, why Ketu is enemy. The Saturn, Mars, Ketu, Sun, Moon are enemies. Because already we have seen all these things, and Rahu, Moon, Mars, and Sun are enemies. Ketu, Venus, Saturn, Mercury, and Moon are enemies. See, you think logically why they are having an inimical towards this particular planet, then and you apply those things in your horoscope, then you will understand better. Then we will go further. This chart we'll see. See here, already we've seen Ketu is the Jnana Karaka. Venus is the Bhoga Karaka. Bhoga and Moha won't go together, moksha. When moha is there, moksha you won't get. When you want to enjoy the Bhoga, then you won't get the moksha. So this native is having Venus and Ketu. And we also know it's a male chart, so Jupiter is the Lagna. So that marriage may be a question mark. But here, see, in astrology, any rule has got the exceptions. So immediately we can't blindly say, oh, Jupiter is there. So if that Ketu and Venus is there, so he is not going to get married. No, he got married. Because Jupiter is yourself, that is your desires, your ambition and everything. But Saturn is your destiny. Saturn here, it is connected to Venus. So he got married. So marriage is in problem? No, because Jupiter is retro, it is coming and meeting Venus. Of course, it's meeting Ketu first, then afterwards Venus. But here Saturn is meeting Venus first. So these are all the things higher level. So we have to see the degree and other thing. I will tell you in my further videos about this. Here only we will know Ketu and Venus are together. That is why one of the karakattvas of Venus will be suffered. If it is a marriage, then you should seek a wife. What is remedy? Remedy is your attitude change, your behavior change. That is the remedy. Because this horoscope is nothing but your software embedded in your physical form. Your physical form is the hardware. This horoscope is your software. When the horoscope is software is embedded to you, see, you can, in the computer, you can use the Microsoft software. Anything you want, within that limit, you can use it. You can't change the software. If you want to change, you have to be a programmer. That means the programmers are rishis and siddhas. They can change the chart. They can change your chart, but you can't change. So you have to sail with the wind. You have to go along with your chart only. If somebody says, I am going to change your destiny by this remedy, they are cheating you. Nobody can change your destiny. Your destiny goes along with your chart. If you understand your chart and go along with your chart, then it will be good for you. If this native has selected a person, a wife, spiritually oriented wife, it will be good for him. Then his marriage won't break. That this chart indicates that. We'll go further. See, astrology, in one day you can't learn everything. In one of the comments, somebody said, I want to learn fast. It is not possible for me to learn. See, astrology is a very slow process because it's the ocean. Because you have to understand little by bit by bit. If you want to really understand and if you want to go fast and everything, within a year you want to, then you go to your guru, proper guru, sit with him for 24 hours and learn. Okay, so little by little, whatever I say, note down, it will help you. Every point in astrology, if you get one point in this video, that will be very useful to you. See, in every video, if you get one or 2 points, that will be very good. And if you digest that 1 or 2 points, it's very, very good. So here, one of the karakattvas of Venus will be suffered. If the wife is good, then relationship with other people will not be good. If the relationship will be very good, then Venus is again karaka for money, then that is especially liquid money. The liquid money, liquidity crunch will be there always for this person. That's all. We have to see like this only. We have to go and stick, okay, Venus is Ketu, so is marriage is problem. No, don't come to that conclusion. Lot of if and buts are there, lot of exceptions are there. I told you the exception is Saturn. Saturn is meeting Venus, so he is destined to get married. So marriage, see, don't tell that marriage won't happen. No, he is destined to get married. Then we'll see next. See here, I already told you in astrology, if you want to study an horoscope, you should know the karakattvas. Karakattvas are base. And see, unless you know at least 50 to 60 karakattvas, and what karakattvas you have to pick it up, then you will be a successful astrologer. Here, sun means father. Sun means eldest son. See, already I told you, in astrology, everything is logical. That especially in Nadi, everything is logic. If you understand the logic, you need not memorize. See, sun is the center of our solar system. Again, sun is the father means father is the center of our family system. That is most of the family. Some exceptions may be there. Mother may be the center of the family, or some grandfather. Some that is exception. But mainly majority in majority of the cases, a father is the center figure of the family. Like solar family, our sun's family, sun is the thing. Why the eldest son? In Kala Purusha, if you see, fifth house is the, we all know, fifth house means is a kid. That is the first kid. That is a male. Sun is the male planet. So, and also odd Rasi. So, it has to give a male, a kid only. So, what happens is, that is the first, eldest, that is a son. So, same, like this only logically we have to go. Moon means mother. Why the mother? Mother is emotions. Mother will feed you. Because for the child, mother is very, very important person. For the small kid, mother is mother gives the nutrition. Father gives the knowledge, but mother gives the nutrition. That is why in second house, moon is exalted. In the fourth house, emotions, where your heart stays, that is the fourth house, there moon is moon's own house. And we know very well, Cancer, that is a Kataka Lagna, Kataka Rashi is the water sign. Water sign is the emotionals. And elder sister and agriculture. See, moon is very, very important for plant growing. Like sun, for moon is also gives the nutrition to the all plants. That is why they connect the agriculture to moon. And food, important, moon is so karaka for food. That is why they agriculture, through agriculture we get food. That is why they connect moon to earth. Moon is again liquid, water in your body, whatever the water content is the moon. So all these things we'll see later. Saturn is the eldest brother. Why eldest brother? Because we all know 11th house is the eldest brother. Kala Purusha's 11th house, Lord is a Saturn. That is why eldest brother. Profession. Why the profession? Kala Purusha 10th house is the Saturn's house. That is why profession. Again, they say in Nadi, see in traditional astrology, Mars means youngest brother. Here in a Nadi, Mars means just brother. And for ladies, he is husband. And son-in-law. And land. just land. Mercury is a younger brother because Mercury is the prince, younger brother. Then again, younger sister. And then again, maternal uncle because Kalapusha sixth house lord is Mercury. That is a maternal uncle. Then maternal aunt. Jupiter, self, if it is male. Kids within 5 years called Jupiter. And Venus, sister, wife, vehicle, money, daughter in law, and self if it is female. And Rahu, grandfather and grandmother. Now we will see. See here. Sun and Saturn are conjuncted. We already seen Sun and Saturn are not friends. It means what this chart says, this is a male chart again, last time also we have seen. What the chart says, father and son, they won't go along, they won't meet eye together, they won't be friendly. What it means, they have to stay away. If they are in one house, they won't prosper because they'll fight each other. So, if they stay away, if your son, see if this kind of combination in your chart, that means you won't get along with your eldest son or son. So, it is better you keep him away, keep him separate. So, you will also prosper, you will also prosper, you will also get peace of mind, you will also get peace of mind. Again, we said Saturn is the profession. Here, Saturn is associated with Mercury and Sun. See, there we have seen enemies relationship. Here we have to see profession means we have to change. Immediately we can't say, oh, Saturn is enemy to Sun. That's why you won't get a managerial job. No, you will get a managerial job. That is the beauty. See, this is a very, what I can say is very sensitive points are there. We will come along with JK Astro. You will learn a lot. So here, what happens is Saturn is the Karaka for profession. He is associated with Mercury. That means Mercury is for accounts, Mercury is for agency-like business. And see, because Saturn is associated with Mercury and Sun, you will see Saturn, first Saturn is Leo, Simha, that is a royal house. Sun is there, king is there. So Saturn is a royal servant. So that means what? This native started his career in a lower cadre. He has not joined his cadre as a manager. He is joined as a clerk. After joining as a clerk, then he was promoted as a manager. So because Sun is associated, you must get a manager position. So Sun is in own house, so you must retire as a manager. Means in manager also several grades are there. He retired as a chief manager. Then Mercury is there, so some accounts and other things. So he was in a bank, so he was associated in a accounts. Bank means lot of accounts and other things. Then again, Sun is connecting with Venus. So Venus means money. So bank is associated with money. And again, Sun and Mercury, Saturn are conjunct in the royal house. That means in his position, he will enjoy the position royally, commanding, dominant. See, some people will be a manager, but they will be a very weak manager. Here it is not like he is the very authoritative person in his thing. And Mercury's speech, so he will be very authoritative in his speech. And Sun is connecting with Venus and Ketu. So he is in his profession, the Saturn is also connected with Venus and Ketu. So that means in his profession, you will be a very comfortable. See, Venus gives a comfort. See, in a comfortable position, but sometimes he would have met some problems. See, this is how we have to see in a Nadi. See, with the See here, Sun, Saturn, Mercury, and Venus Ketu. Only with the two houses we analyze this match. This is how one has to go. See, same way we can go on analyze this kind of things. I mean, we can give lot of predictions with the one planet. We have seen Sun and Mars as a father and son problem, and same thing as when it comes to profession, Sun gives his authority and earthing, so it immediately changes its color. So this is how we have to go on analyze. Stay with JK Astro. Please, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. If you like, press the like button. And if you got any comments, please leave it in the comment column. And please press the bell button. You will get the notifications of my further videos. Apart from that, here one more thing is knowledge is to share. I am sharing my knowledge to you. You also share along with your friends. With this, I say good night. Thank you very much. Please wait for my further videos. With this, I end my video.